Everyone's claiming you can make thousands with AI. I spent 7 days testing 5 methods. Here's what actually worked, with proof. Everyone's claiming you can make thousands with AI. I spent 7 days testing 5 methods. Here's what actually worked, with proof. Method 1, AI content writing on Fiverr. Result, made $185 in 7 days. This one worked. Method 2, writing TikTok scripts. Result, made $80, worked but slow to get clients. Method 3, selling AI thumbnails. Result, made $45, works but very competitive. Method 4, cold email sequences. Result, made $250, best profit per hour. Method 5, social media management. Result, made $0 in week 1, takes longer to land clients. Total made in 7 days, 560 methods that actually work. Number 1 and number 4. Here's exactly how to start. If you want to try this. 1. Pick method 1 or 4. 2. Set up accounts today. 3. Use AI to create samples. 4. Start pitching. You can make your first $100 this week. Should I test more methods? Comment what AI money method you want me to try next. Hit subscribe. I'm testing a new method every week.